Hey everybody, Quilt Marine. So we're in the yard. All right, this is my workshop / yard. Okay, so I'm working on my pegboard to hold all my rulers. Okay, because I want to have a separate pegboard for just rulers, and then a pegboard for my thread. That's a hint to the wife. I'm buying more thread. Okay, so look, what I did was I brought my pegboard out, and I got some photos, some still photos of what I did. I base coated it green, and then I put So I cut out a template. Look at my template right here. A sewing machine. You can see it right here, right? And then I background it in white, and then I digied it up a little bit. You know, you got to man it up a little bit. It is a guy's quilt room. So the paint's not quite dry, but I'm kind of anxious to see what I have underneath, okay? So we're going to peel this off and take a look at what we got, okay? Don't mind my hand. Look, that's not ashiness. I had paint all over my hand, so I had to use the kerosene stuff to wipe it off. Okay, look at this. Okay, so we're about to peel this off. Let's take a look here. That's not bad, huh? Hey, kind of proud of that. That's not a bad look. I don't think that's a bad look. You know what it is. I know what it is. And here's the template right here. Okay, I just got a box. I cut it out. I drew it out first, and then I cut it out, and then I went from there. I'm not mad at that. That's not bad. Okay. So this will be the other pegboard that you'll see. So what I try to do is try to cover up some of the white that's there, and I may do some more adjusting to it to get some of this white out of here. Okay, but I'm happy with it. Okay, it's gonna go up in the room. So then we'll have a ruler pegboard, and then we'll have a thread pegboard. Okay, and that's how we do a homemade DIY pegboard in your quilt room. All right, guys, so we got it in. Chang. Look at this. So I put the other board on. I kept my threads up top because I'm going to get more threads. And then I'm going to hang my tools here. Okay? So all I did, for those of you who want to get your significant others to build it, it's just 2x2. I didn't want to use 2x4 because 2x4 is heavy. And I would have had to drag it upstairs and break my back getting it in here. And then getting it apart would have been harder too. So it's just some 2x2 beams. I got a beam across here, a beam across the bottom on both boards. It's simple, all right? A couple of wood screws, mount them up, lean it up. Now, I was gonna go with feet, but I decided not to because there's no little kids here. We're empty nesters. Smile, all right? And no one's gonna be tripping over this, okay? So I just leaned it on the wall. You know, I don't want to mount anything in the wall. I just want to keep everything simple. And another part of my quilting room is completed. So what I still need to do is I need to get some dowels to fit in here, okay? So I'm going to fit some dowels in here across. And on those dowels, I'll hang my rulers, which I have quite a few of, and maybe some cutters, rotary cutters, but we'll see, okay? Because I kind of want to replace these dowels with longer dowels so I can put more thread, get it, on here, all right? And then we'll move on, okay? Because we need to do some quilting, but I'm happy with this, all right? My quilt room's coming along, okay? So I'm really proud of what I made, and get your husbands to make you one too, or your significant others. Because I know there's guys. Get your wife to build you one of these. All right, guys? But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.